Hi everybody, my name is Kaylin. I'll be going over the course reflection for today. One thing that really surprised me about this course was how much I actually enjoyed the material. At first, starting off the course, it would be like almost boring, or sometimes it would seem a little bit too hard, but it turned out to be interesting and useful in my own opinion. The most useful thing I'm taking away from this course is how to organize my ideas better. The assignments helped me think more clearly and put my thoughts together in a way that would make sense. If I could change something about this course, I'd probably say add a couple more examples and or videos. Sometimes the textbook did feel a bit challenging, or in my opinion it did feel a little hard to understand without either asking my classmates or getting outside help. My favorite assignment was definitely probably the presentation videos. They were really cool. We all got to know a little bit about each other, and as well as I like the culture one, so that one was pretty cool. Everybody got to know a little bit about each other's background. The assignment I liked least was probably the weekly discussions. They were kind of not repetitive, but having to respond to everybody did feel like 2 to 3 people did kind of feel a little bit unnecessary, I would say, just because we all kind of said the same thing or said similar things, and either the first person who responded to you already said what the second person would respond to you, so it just kind of felt a little bit repetitive, but it was fine. I would rate the textbook as okay or good. It made the information I needed. It did have the information I needed, but sometimes it was a bit hard to get all of it and to understand everything. So I rate it as good. If I had to describe this course in 3 words, I would say interesting, challenging, and helpful. I don't think that all the material that we covered was, essential, but I do think that most and the majority of the material that we did cover was beneficial to our college and or university career. I think that this being a Comm 101, it really does kind of shape the way of how every other comm class is. So I did benefit a lot from this class. But like anything, I feel like there's work that needs to be done, and I want to say that they're going to be able to change it. That's the reason why we're doing this video, so I hope that they do add some more examples and they take our feedback. So thanks for the course, and I'm looking forward to using what I learned in the future.